Unleash the power of calcium. Join us on an exciting journey inside your body to discover how this essential element strengthens your bones, teeth, muscles, and nerves. We'll explore dietary needs, absorption, and fantastic sources of calcium to become health-savvy calcium superheroes. The amount of calcium in the body of a healthy adult is about 1,200 grams. Approximately 99% is found in bones and teeth and 1% in other body tissues, for example, muscles, nerves and blood. Functions of calcium. 1. The formation and development of the skeleton and teeth. 2. The normal clotting of blood. 3. The normal functioning of muscles and nerves. Deficiency and excess of calcium. Calcium deficiency is associated with a lack of vitamin D rather than a low dietary intake of calcium, as it aids in the absorption of calcium. Similarly, excess calcium is associated with excess vitamin D. Dietary reference values for calcium. The DRVs takes into account the limited absorption of this mineral by the body and the high needs of growing infants 500 mg, children 400 mg and adolescents 600 mg for this mineral. During pregnancy, the ability of the body to absorb calcium increases and therefore no increment is recommended. An increment is required while a mother is lactating, as her body needs calcium 1000 mg while she is producing milk for her baby. Sources of calcium. In the UK, about 2/3 of the calcium in the diet comes from animal sources. More than half of the calcium actually comes from dairy foods, with milk and cheese providing 11% of the intake respectively. Bread makes a useful contribution, providing 13% of the intake. Useful sources of calcium include fish when the bones are eaten, such as whitebait, sardines and canned salmon. Cheese, yogurt and milk and white bread. Nuts such as almonds, Brazils and hazelnuts and pulses. Soya beans and soya products such as tofu and tempeh. Stability of calcium. Food preparation procedures hardly affect calcium, although foods cooked in hard water have a higher calcium content than foods cooked in soft water. Absorption of calcium. Of the total calcium intake, only about 20 to 50% is absorbed into the body. Absorption of calcium is poor for a number of reasons. Phytic acid interferes with calcium absorption. However, phytic acid can be broken down by our enzyme phytase. Oxalic acid, which is particularly high in rhubarb and spinach, also interferes with the absorption of calcium. Dietary fiber binds calcium. Factors known to assist in the absorption of calcium. Vitamin D promotes the production of the carrier protein needed for the absorption of calcium. Proteins, the amino acids formed from protein as a result of digestion, combine with calcium to form soluble calcium salts, and these salts are very readily absorbed. Lactose, the sugar present in milk, increases calcium absorption upon hydrolysis. The process by which lactase breaks it down into simple sugars. Remember all of these interesting facts next time you're drinking a glass of milk. Thanks for watching.